If your microwave keypad is not working, there are several possible reasons for this issue. A faulty control panel could be the culprit, especially if only some buttons are functioning while others are not. In such cases, replacing the control panel with a new one may be necessary. Another possibility is a defective membrane switch, which sends signals to the control board when pressed. Due to repetitive use, the membrane switch can wear out or become defective, preventing it from sending signals and thus rendering the keypad non-functional. Replacing the membrane switch with a new one can resolve this issue. A damaged control board can also be the cause of the problem, where the display lights up when buttons are pressed, but the touchpads do not respond. The control board generates a low voltage signal that is transmitted to the membrane switch. And if this signal is not generated, no functions will occur, making it necessary to replace the control board. If none of these solutions can be implemented on your own, it is recommended to contact a professional technician for assistance to avoid causing further damage to the microwave. By following these steps, you can potentially fix the keypad on your microwave that is not working.